try to understand our history, our history and everything, how we have evolved, and also the Bay of Bengal, which evolved when the Indian Ocean started its journey northward. The Enderby Basin, which left there, actually they were conjugate, and then if you try to understand the whole thing, you have to understand. If you want to understand the origin of Bay of Bengal, you have to understand the origin of Enderby. So actually, it has a lot of importance. So I'm not going to take much time. So our expert, Dr. Lawson ji, will be telling more about that. It is not that he has participated himself, but he is expert of that, and he will be telling you more about that. What type of research it is going on, which related to the because one of the cleanest area is there. So if you want to do the climate change research, it is very important to go there because it had the ice records there, and we can study any minute changes which had taken place in last 10,000 year or 20,000 year through that ice record. So a lot of studies going on. Dr. Lawson will be talking about that. So I will stop here. Thank you very much. And once again, I welcome you all. Thanks.
Thank you very much, sir, for the welcome and giving us a brief overview on the Indian Antarctic Program, its origin and the activities conducted. So all the viewers, you may post your comments or queries in the chat boxes, and we shall be taking those questions at the end during discussion. So we shall now move to our speaker, Dr. Vijay Loveson, Chief Scientist, CSIR NIO, to know more about the Antarctica expeditions, the leadership and the significant contributions of CSIR Lab NIO. So before that, a brief introduction of our speaker. Dr. Loveson is a renowned marine geologist specialized in blue economy, mineral exploration, coastal management, sea level research, and subsurface modeling using GPR. Following his doctoral research in 1994, he pursued his postdoctoral research at Kingston University, London. He has nearly 32 years of research experience in CSIR. In recognition of his significant scientific contributions, Dr. Loveson has been honored with many awards and recognitions. Dr. Loveson has jointly authored a widely referenced book on blue economy of Indian Ocean. He served as a member of PM's Economic Advisory Council's Working Group 6 of 2020 on blue economy to devise policies for coastal and deep sea mining. He is a distinguished blue economy expert in RIS, Ministry of External Affairs. Dr. Loveson constructed the Holocene sea level curve for east coast of India, which has been a standard global reference for India. He served as the Secretary of Indian Ocean Subcommission on Sea Level Variations of the International Quaternary Union of UK. So with this, I invite Dr. Vijay Loveson for his talk. Over to you, please, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Shikha ji. And I will take a minute to upload my presentation. Is it okay?
Well, it was appearing, but it has gone now.
Yes, now it is okay.
This is okay.
Okay, thank you very much. So thank you, Dr. Shikha ji. Thank you, Director NIO. Good evening to all. I'm so delighted to talk about one of the success stories of CSIR National Oceanography Goa. The topic of today's talk is Antarctica expeditions, leadership, and significant contributions which have been contributed by CSIR NIO. I'll be focusing only on the contribution from NIO